After 30 hours and 6 airports, here's what we learned about flying during social distancing. Victoria, I did that thing again where I do not tell them to like, comment, subscribe. So do that real quick. Go. Say it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Number 1, airlines. Tell them what the airlines are doing to make your flight better.
The airlines are spacing the seats apart, so there's like no one sitting in that middle seat.
That means naps.
Yeah, lots of naps. Great stretching out spaces, and they give you Purell wipes. See commercial when you get on. Hey, chocolates get smelly, which means your feet get smelly, which means you need to clean your shoes.
I feel like we could be making a commercial for a church right now. Washing your feet with Purell. Thank you for the airlines for providing Purell.
As well as, whole cans of orange juice, whole bottles of water.
You know what's really cool is with these masks on, no one can tell if I have stuff in my teeth or not. This is not bad. 2 quick tips when traveling social distancing across the world. Number 1, based on our 20-hour experience so far and several different airports, make sure you check your mask beforehand to know that it doesn't itch your face off. Number 2, brush your teeth. You don't want to smell your own stinky breath.
Oh, thanks. These things are so hard to breathe in.
Yes, we're at the edge of the airport. Everybody else is down there.
Oxygen's low.
No one's down here, so we thought we could, detox for a little bit and actually breathe the air. These things. Number 2, what are airports doing during this time?
Well, they've got all those spots on the floor to make sure we stay 6 feet apart.
Yes.
And the lines are moving very quickly.
I feel like we're at Holiday World before the gates open. You can just like walk right in the rides. This is definitely not Cedar Point. So as you can see, what? Standing in line. Nope. Okay.
There's like no one here.
No one here. So far, it just seems like we're flying to Nebraska. You know what I was thinking is that YouTuber who does the Yes Theory and he goes to the least visited place in the world or the most boring town in America. Right now, this is what he would not have anything to do because they're all the same. But we did get
Free chocolate.
And the other chocolate's 70% off.
So it looks like a great time to shop right now. No one's around, there's no lines, it's empty, it looks great. But there's plastic over everything and there's no way to buy anything because they're closed.
And a lot less flights going out, so the bags just come right to you because there's less to do.
Bam.
Okay, so this is our driver because during quarantine time, we could not get a flight to Indianapolis. So old Grand Flakes MacGruber down here drove from Indianapolis down to Nashville, 5 hours back up. All right, let's go. All right, bye. During quarantine, during social distancing, that's just a part of it. You can't find your flight all the time. My buddy from Honduras flying to Florida and then has to drive all the way back to Kentucky because he just couldn't get a flight to Nashville. So, just the problem is food. Hey, if you ever joined into this channel, you know that we love to eat food. And we were so excited because the food court is so great. There's just something about the food court. So whenever I go to an airport, although you have to pay like extra tax and stuff, it's so great to go there. And then you get here.
No, sir. We found food! Yeah, it's hard to find somewhere to eat.
Number 3, bad people.
Bad people.
Yeah.
Some people don't listen. There was a guy like right up next to me.
I just saw a lady use like a whole bottle of hand sanitizer to clean off her passport after she gave it to the TSA guard who was wearing gloves. And then I thought, that actually sort of makes sense because his gloves have all that junk on them. But just know that whenever traveling through many different airports during social distancing, there are these cool little stickers on the ground here at the San Francisco airport that tell you to stay 6 feet apart. A lot of people don't read them. But everyone's a little different. Some people are right next to you, some people are like way, some people are using a ton of hand sanitizer. To each their own. And it's like 6 feet apart. Oh, and then the people on this last flight, the lady comes over there and comes like, oh, we're going to be dismissing you one at a time, one row at a time, and then they're standing up halfway through.
I'm just going to get my bag.
doors 21 through 25.
Nope. All right, that's good people. And then especially the TSA people in Guam, fantastic. See, after 30 minutes of waiting in a private room, now we have a private shuttle with a built-in tour guide. That's nice of him, right? After being in the Japanese airport, lessons learned so far is that people are super friendly. People are super nice. They want you to stay 6 feet apart. Airports are super, super, super empty. There's really no food open. It's difficult to find a drink of water. But again, the people are friendly, and that's my favorite part about traveling. So, hey, maybe I like this whole social distancing thing. Ah, there's Victoria. They're giving up their family and their friends and their cleanliness to make sure that we can go hang out with our family and friends. So no matter what you're doing, if you have to fly anywhere, maybe it's for work, maybe it's for pleasure, maybe it's to go get married, whatever it is, just know that the airports are taken care of. So thank you all to the airports, and be safe out there. 5 in the afternoon.
34 hours.
34 hours.
33 hours.
Are you going to change it again, or are we sure it's 33? Positive 33. 33 hours later, only because we could not get a flight into Indianapolis because they're not running as many flights. Since we did all of this in airports, we figured this would be appropriate.
This is Pete Weber, the Nashville Predatist. Welcome to Music City and Nashville International Airport. Many bags look the same. To ensure you have your bag, please check each luggage tag before leaving the baggage claim area. Thanks for flying Nashville.
Do you know whenever you're at the airport and you're fighting for a chair, hey, just fly across the world during quarantine and social distancing and you can have all the chairs you want.
Drowned him in water and he drank it up, and then the next day he became full. Actually, this is like really weird because it was just like not even a month ago.